Hi and welcome to WAHL Australia. Today I want to show you what you're going to get when you purchase the Lithium Pet Pro Series clipper. Now let's take a look at this. You're going to notice right away it's lithium, so it's going to run for a very long time. It's going to last a long time. It has lots of other great features, including these metal guide combs which come in the kit, which make it much easier when you're grooming. But why don't I show you what it all looks like. So you're going to notice you get this nice hard storage case. Really easy to keep all your content safe and in one place for every time you go to groom. You're always going to know where it is. Now we have our clipper. This has a 5-in-1 adjustable blade, so it gives you a lot of variety in terms of when you actually need to go and clip and do different things with your dogs. We have our number 1 through 4 metal guide combs. The metal guide combs make it much easier when you're grooming your dog because it's going to be able to push through any little tangles and any little mats, so it's a really nice upgrade over plastic. We have our cleaning oil and brush. It's really important to be doing these maintenance pieces before and after each clip to make sure that your clipper's running well and then your dog is having a nice experience. And then lastly, we have our charging cord. So because this is a cordless clipper, you're going to want to hold on to this because without it, you might not be able to run the clipper. And then lastly, we're going to give you some additional information. So always important to check over these instructions when you get your new tool so you know how it operates and functions properly. So this is everything you get when you get the Lithium Pet Pro Clipper. If you click on the next video, we'll show you how all of these different features and attachments are going to make the groom that much better for you.